Hello everyone, Sam from CreativeTradingSystem.com. I'm making this video as a weekly recap and trades taken last week. So let's get started. Today, it's the 4th of July at 10 p.m. A lot of fireworks going on right now. So I'm making this video. All right, so let's get started. By the way, it's 4th of July on my website. This is my website, and this is 4th of July sale going on right now, 50% off of every single thing I have, including, subscription or one-on-one Zoom, one-on-one coaching, personal coaching over the Zoom, combo deals, and, Elliott Wave course, Harmonic course, whatever I have, everything, right? So if you're interested, ask me and send me an email and take it from there. All right. So let's get started with the trades. This is the trade, the first trade on the 29th June when week started, and this is Euro Yen. Entry was, you can see, there was a last Friday, and then when the new week started, I closed the trade for 70 pip. All the trades you will see. It's a yellow mark here. The order is right there. This is buy order and SL. Initially, SL is right there below this low when the trade is open, and it is always 25 pip fixed, right? Once the trade is positive, then I move my SL to break even plus 5 pips, 6 pips, something like that. So this is how it works, right? So all the trades are taken by the setup. Nothing is random, right? So this is a short setup, and the trade was taken here, and then SL was here initially, and then later on move a little bit, 5 pip plus. This is a sell order there, right? This is 85 pip pound yen on the 30th. It's a lot of trades. This is 27 June. Okay. Oh, sorry. So how I have it arranged that, okay, this trade pound yen was based on this 40-minute chart. See, I made this chart that this thing is going to drop. This is my setup chart or a 40-minute chart, not the entry chart. Entry chart is this one, right? So this gives me the direction that what the heck is going to happen, and then I'm ready to take it. And then this is written here that what I supposed to behave, right? When after having a reversal candle, so I need a reversal candle here, and then I need that 7-minute entry, which usually comes somewhere here, and then it will drop, and then again 20-minute entry will come here somewhere. So you can take that and then take ride all the way, or if you miss the 7-minute entry, then take the 20-minute entry and then ride all the way. So this chart came down all the way here, by the way, right? So that's how I got this trade and another trade I'll show you later on. All right, so this is what I said. Nasdaq 190 going to the upside. Pound Aussie, right? You can see here from 7-minute chart, it's 110 pip from, this is the entry and then came down. And this chart probably because of this one. You see that? Not probably, definitely. So this is on the 29th, I made the chart that's going to drop. And on the 30th, the next day, it started to drop and I got in and boom. Right? So these are 40-minute charts that I make almost every day, 4 or 5 of them. And then I post on my Telegram for my subscribers, right? My paid subscribers. And we take it from there, following these rules. Now, on the 30th, you can see gold going to the upside, and it is going because my chart of this that is going to do this, right? So on the 28th, I made the chart, and this entry came on 2 days later, was started to go up. I missed this entry. This one was a good entry. This was the good entry, but whatever you take, whatever you can get, right? This one, right? So now USD yen 7-minute chart dropping, and this trade came on this. Okay, I didn't have the 40-minute chart for that one, I guess, right? So this drop. Now the next trade is pound yen, 90 pip drop, and this chart came. This trade came because of this. Again, on for that one, I don't have the 40-minute either. So now USD going to the upside is for 100 pip. And some of those 40-minute charts I misplaced, so I don't have them to show. Now, this USD yen trade for 135 pip on the first dropping. And this one was pound Aussie dropping from 7-minute, 105 pip. There should be another one. See, on the same day from the 20-minute entry. That's what I'm saying. The 7-minute entry was from here, from somewhere here. And then from the 20-minute entry from all the way from the top. And these two entries were taken because of this chart. It was coming down and came all the way down here, by the way. right? So this was made on the 29th. Now the next trade you see, okay, this is what happened to this chart. See that 40-minute chart, pound Aussie? It started to come down, and then it came down all the way to, this is 0752, and it came down to 0750, even lower than that. So I was able to get 20-minute entry and 7-minute entry, two trades from here. Okay, next trade we see this is pound yen, 7-minute, 130. And it is based on this. The chart was made on the 27th that this thing is going to drop all the way here, and it went down. And then pound USD 7-minute short, 95 pip to the downside. Why? Because of this chart. It was supposed to come down here, 35.71, and you can see the trade was at 36, right? So 95 pip. Here, okay, now the next one is gold. Again, gold chart, you know that it, on my 4-hour chart. Okay, euro yen going to the upside for 120 pip. And look, this was the chart made that's going to go up, and then it went up big time, right? And then pound yen 7-minute 200 pip on Friday, on the 3rd, right? Yesterday, what happened? Big move to the upside. You know what happened? This what happened. It was there, right? So I made this chart and I was ready, and this thing started to go up. First, it posed a reversal candle. Second, the blue candle, and then come the entry. All right. By the time that entry comes, so I have the alarm that beep, and then robot that take the entry, right? So it was started to go up, and boom, here's the entry, here's the entry, here's the entry. But this entry gave me 200 pip because of this chart I made, and I posted on the Telegram for everyone else as well. To all my group, they took this trade as well. Right. So now this one did the same thing. USD yen going to the upside for 120. Why? Because of this chart. Supposed to be going to the upside, and it is right here right now. 45.07. Let's see 45.07. It is there. See that? 45.07. And then I made the chart that is gonna drop, and it already started to drop. But here comes 4th of July. Market is closed earlier anyway. So anyway, so more, let's see. Next chart is Nasdaq going to the upside for 200 pip, and this is pound Aussie. What the heck is doing here? I don't know. But yeah, I already showed you that. So these are 18 trades altogether, and big ones. Some of those are very big. Pound yen 200 pip, right? 130, 140 pip trades, a lot of them. So this is how the system work. And like I said, that if you're interested, if you like what you see, you go on my website here, and you can subscribe monthly, or you want to learn from A to Z. Then a 10-hour course over the Zoom, one-on-one coaching. Right now, 50% off. You can do it. Combo deal is the best one right now. You get multiple things, so very cheap. And courses and one-on-one and lifetime membership, everything included in combo. So take advantage of that, right? And I'm gonna have this 4th of July sale for maybe today, tomorrow. I don't know if maybe more tomorrow as well. Maybe over the weekend as well, right? So let's see. All right, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel so that you can get the videos that I'm gonna post. I'm probably gonna make a video before the week start. Consist of maybe different setups, the 40-minute charts, right? For you to take advantage of that. Sometimes, weekly chart, daily chart, especially 4-hour chart on gold. Right now, that's what I'm watching and following, and it is behaving very good. So far, you can see this is gold right here. So I made the chart when it was here. That's gonna go up, and it is going nicely. And my 40-minute chart was here. So it went up, it came down. So now this is the chart I made just now today for next week. So it's gonna either it's gonna go up, and if it fails to go to the upside above this, then what's gonna happen is that this could be a thing that's like wave 1, A, B, and C will come down here. This whole thing will turn like A, B, and then A, B, C. Then it will go up. So time will tell, right? So right now it's supposed to be bouncing from the TL, and it did. So this could be like wave 1, and then 2 again on the TL, and then go up, right? So it all depends on the fundies, what kind of fundie we're gonna get over the next week, and we take it from there. All right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a very, very wonderful weekend. And talk to you guys later.